Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. So at the time of recording, Coreum's on 21 cents. Sologenics on 17 cents. And XRP's on 38 cents. How's everyone doing? Back again with it, guys. Back again with it. It's core season. You know, part 13, we went over token management and governance. So on part 14, we're going to go over token issuance and smart contracts. So without any further delay, let's go, my people. Token issuance. The term token issuance may also refer to the process of tokenization in which an asset outside of the cryptocurrency ecosystem is added to the blockchain via a specific crypto token. In such cases, token issuance becomes the process of creating a token, yet not one that belongs to a cryptocurrency, but rather a token that represents an outside asset. This can have numerous applications on different asset types: physical, digital, or financial asset types. Physical, digital, or financial. Token issuance is the process of creating new fungible and non-fungible tokens on the Coreum blockchain. With a whitelisting feature, Coreum can offer the means to allow users to comply with regulated environments. Some potential users for this feature would be large organizations or governmental entities. Transactions. Issue transaction. Tokens are issued when minted for the first time on the blockchain. The token code needs to be unique and the token configuration gets saved on a key value store, which will be kept on chain. Mint transaction. The mint transaction will add a specified amount of tokens to the total supply. The newly minted tokens will go to that specified address. Burn transaction. The burn transaction will remove existing tokens from total supply, subtracting them from the supplier's account. Whitelist transaction. The whitelist transaction will allow certain addresses to hold, send, or receive and trade a token in which whitelist the address is included. It is important to note that addresses can represent either a blockchain user or smart contract. The mint, burn, and whitelist transactions may be variable, may be available or not, dependent on options set during issue transaction. Complete flow example. User A issues a token called ABC and sets the configuration in a way that the newly minted tokens are transferred to user B. User A also restricts holding of this token by setting a config setting called require whitelisting. After this transaction, user B instantly gets whitelisted and is delivered the ABC tokens. Now user C wants to receive ABC tokens from user B. They now must ask user A, creator of the token, to whitelist user C to be able to hold the token. After whitelisting is done, user C can receive tokens from user B. This feature enables some token creators to comply with regulations that require KYC or AML. The creator of token user A can also freeze anyone's ABC tokens held in their wallets, given that they set the configuration that allows them to do so when they minted the token. The same user, user A, can also set a global freeze to all holders of the ABC token at any time. Again, given that they set this config when minting the token. So it gives an example. So user A issues it. User ABC token requires whitelisting. So user A can also set a global freeze. To the holders of the ABC token. Okay. You understanding that, my people? Hope you're understanding that. Smart contracts. The Coreum blockchain will be able to store and execute smart contracts. In essence, a smart contract is a computer program that can be stored in a blockchain with the purpose of later being instantiated and executed. Although literature on smart contract dates back to 1994, when Nick Szabo first introduced the concept, Ethereum was the pioneer in making a widely adopted implementation. While EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, was great at the time for smart contract execution, it has shown some shortcomings in various aspects. Some of these shortcomings are security flaws, re-entrancy attacks, arithmetic over or underflows, etc. Lack of support for integers smaller than 256 bits, which leads to inefficiencies. Tight coupling between contract and Solidity language. WASM. We believe WebAssembly is a much greater engine for smart contract execution and has great scalability and support. It was developed by W3C World Wide Web Consortium with support from companies such as Mozilla, Google, and others. While being portable, Turing complete, and efficient, developers can write their smart contracts in many different programming languages, such as C over C++, C #, Rust, JavaScript, TypeScript, Hex, Kotlin, and Go. WASM is fast, efficient, open, debuggable, platform independent, and memory safe, which makes it perfect for smart contract execution. WASM. Since Coreum blockchain relies heavily on the Cosmos ecosystem, WASM is the chosen platform to handle smart contracts. WASM is a smart contract engine and an important part of Cosmos infrastructure. It is written as a module that can plug into the Cosmos SDK. It facilitates the execution of smart contracts in different chains using the Cosmos inter-blockchain communication protocol. WASM is designed to be a multi-chain solution for building smart contracts that allow the execution of the same contract in different chains. Just by writing a WASM contract, you can run contracts on the whole Cosmos ecosystem. Brilliant. WASM architecture. WASM fully embraces the actor model, in which messages behave in a fire and forget manner. They do not wait for any promises to be fulfilled, removing the danger of race conditions. Actors send messages through a message dispatcher as a communication mechanism. The implementation of actor model pattern adds the following added value. Increased security. Since it prevents contracts from calling each other, it avoids retrancy attacks. Contracts are allowed to message each other, but not to be called directly. Inter-blockchain messaging, sending cross-chain messages through the IBC is achievable. Ease of serialization. Messages can be serializable to many different formats, so they can be integrated with external systems. Contract flow. The contract lifecycle has 3 phases. Upload code. Once we have complied the binary, we upload the optimized WASM code. No state nor contract address exists at this stage. Instantiate contract. Instantiate a code reference with some initial state and creates the address which identifies the contract. For example, if you were creating a new ERC20 token, in this stage, you would set the token name, symbol, etc. Execute contract. Each actor has exclusive access to its own internal state. This may support many different calls, but they are all unprivileged. Usage of previously instantiated contracts depends on the contract design. It's early. It's early, my people. We early to all of this, guys. We early to Coreum, definitely. Cosmos SDK WASM module. The Coreum blockchain will have a custom module which will be in charge of processing WASM-related messages in order to upload, instantiate, and execute smart contracts. So let's have a look at this. Tendermint. The transaction relayed from the full nodes Tendermint engine to the nodes application via deliver TX application. Using base apps methods, decode the TX, extract and route the message. And the message is routed to the correct module, which is WASM module. WASM module executes contract. Rust language. Although you could write WASM smart contracts in many different languages, Rust is the preferred language. It is ideal for generating WASM smart contracts since it has the capability of being memory safe, fast, and producing lightweight bytecode for on-chain storage. Guys, Coreum, one blockchain for all, 3rd generation. Everything that these blockchains couldn't do. Sorry, everything that Ethereum couldn't do, Coreum's doing, because after Bitcoin, number 1, number 2 is Ethereum, and Ethereum is widely adopted throughout the crypto sphere, so yeah, I believe Coreum is the new Ethereum, to be honest, my people. It's core season, my people. So guys, there you have it. Smart contracts. Went over the smart contracts and token issuance. Guys, I know they said that about Polkadot, and Cardano. But everything that we're reading through here, guys, is telling me that Coreum is the new Ethereum, and even much more than all of that, which we know. So my people, I appreciate the love and support. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.